Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Today, we are going to talk about plant-based meats or mock meat or fake meat and how healthy are they. Plant-based meats are the latest talk of the town. How healthy are they? Are they really good? Are they really healthy because they are all plant-based? In this article, we will try to take a look at that, and also we will try to find out that what could be a better nutritional intake in terms of vegan or vegetarian eating pattern. An increasing number of people every day around the world are becoming more inclined to eating a plant-based diet. Eating more plant-based foods is touted for better health, ethics, and climate. Varieties of plant-based products are taking the food market by storm. Fake or mock meats are the new addition to our daily diet. Of course, these are better for the animals and environment. But what nutritional value do they bring to the plate? Plant-based meats are processed, industrially manufactured, have their advantages and shortcomings that need attention before you make these your favorite substitutes for animal meats. The global estimated value of plant-based meat market was 4.3 billion US dollar in the year 2020 and is projected to reach 8.3 billion US dollar by 2025 with a growth of 14% according to a report by Markets and Markets. According to a recent Government of India census data, 30% of India's population is vegetarian. The rest 70% are non-vegetarian but consumes relatively low quantities of meat. This population, usually known as the flexitarian, a group that generally consume vegetarian diet with only occasional egg, meat, or fish in their menu. Even though most Indians eat a plant-based diet, the craze of fake meat is not less in the country. Various farms, startup ventures are producing plant-based substitutes to meat by using soya, beans, pulses, legumes, wheat, potato, etc. Let's talk nutrition. Fake or plant-based meats are the foods produced from plants that mimic the texture and taste of the typical animal-based burgers, sausages, ham, and meatballs. Most of the meat substitutes on the market include proteins from plant origins such as soya, green peas, jackfruit, wheat gluten, legumes, beans, vegetable proteins, and nuts and seeds. Plant-based foods are overall healthy. A plant-based diet is a rich source of antioxidant, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and thus proven to be beneficial for weight management, preventing heart diseases, reducing risk of multiple cancers, and the gut microbiome balance. In fact, reputed health organizations such as World Health Organization and American Heart Association advised to eat more plant-based meat than animal meats for better health outcome. Fake meats are low in fats, provides almost same amount of protein as classic meat products like ground beef, chicken, turkey, and taste as good as they do. The swap meat, which translated as the study with appetizing plant food meat eating alternatives trial study in 2020 involved 36 participants and advised to eat meat for 8 weeks. And then they replaced the meat product with plant-based alternatives for another 8 weeks. The authors reported significant improvements in multiple cardiovascular disease risk factors, such as reduced level of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. However, not everything about plant-based meat is healthy just because they are produced from the plant sources. Processed foods are still processed. The quality of plant-based meats is under scanner as they are often highly processed, contains high amount of show sodium, vegetable oils, food colors, additives to fix the texture, and artificial flavors to bring the taste of real meat. They are mass produced in the factory and so doesn't stand out in terms of quality when compared to other industrially processed meat products. In a 2021 study, Lisa Harnack and colleagues evaluated the nutritional quality of 37 plant-based mince products popular in the United States to assess if plant-based mince could provide essential nutrients such as zinc, protein, vitamin B12, sodium in comparison to the ground beef. The study concluded that fake meats were lacking vitamin B12 and contained 18% more sodium than beef. Not all mock meats are environmental friendly too. According to Observer Research Foundation, nearly 15% of global emissions, including carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen oxides, which are known as greenhouse gases, are contributed by the livestock. 65% of all domesticated emissions are contributed by beef and dairy alone. Scientists are constantly warning that there will be a massive global food crisis unless humans change their methods of meat production and use of land. There is no denial that most mock meats are linked to lesser emission of greenhouse gases than animal products, thus have lesser impact on climate change and global warming. However, some plant-based substitutes, for example, those derived from soybeans, are not eco-friendly. Industrial processing of soybean oil uses a chemical called hexane, which is a potential neurotoxin and an air pollutant. Also, soybeans are often genetically modified. Research found that genetically modified crops use more herbicide, negatively impact the agricultural ecosystem in the process. While commenting on two biggest mock market brands from United States of America, Beyond Meat and Impossible Meat, Marcos Springman, a senior environmental researcher from the University of Oxford, quoted, "However, while their processed products have about half the carbon footprint than chicken does, they also have 5 times more of a footprint than a bean patty." So Beyond and Impossible go somewhere towards reducing your carbon footprint, but saying it's the most climate friendly, it's not true. So be mindful while choosing mock meats. Now that we understand what is what, we should be more mindful while choosing fake meats, particularly when you are buying from a store. Read food labels while you shop or eat plant-based meat products. Prefer a product that includes beans, grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes, lower in sodium, fortified with essential micronutrients, no more than 10% calories from saturated fats, no or minimal artificial colors, preservatives, and sugar in all forms. Whether you eat a strict vegan diet, animal diet, or both, you can still make poor dietary choices if misreading nutritional labels. Plant-based meats are a welcoming initiative to save the planet and animal, but not all are nutritious. An industrially processed plant protein-based burger patty fried in cottonseed oil is not at all an healthy option. If you want to go vegan, consume a diverse range of plant-based whole foods to ensure optimum consumption of crucial micronutrients and protein.